Okay, Alfarizi, let's pray before we begin our lesson ya. The pray together. Let's pray together. Amin. Okay. What prayer that you say when you will be when you will beginning the lesson? Al-Fatihah. Okay. Anyway, Miss Kia can see your face, Alfarizi. Can I see your face? Okay. Okay. Anyway, before we start our meeting, do you want to play a game first? Okay, I will share the link ya. Wait, Miss Kia want to share the link first. Okay. Anyway, how was your holiday, Alfarizi? Is that amazing? Is it good? Okay.
Yes, good.
Okay, can you see my chat? Please open the room chat and then click the link ya.
Okay.
Before that, please share your screen first.
Wait.
Share screen first and then click the link. Okay. Yeah, and then please click the link. Okay, so our lesson, our game is about fraction too, and this about a plane. And I think you really like about plane, yeah. Okay, let's start our game. Click the start button. Okay, and then you can press the button up and down and then you have to, yeah, you have to click the
Like that.
right fraction. Okay, get it?
Okay.
Okay, let's. Okay, good job, Alfarizi. And then, okay, a half. Where's a half?
This one.
Okay, good job. And then, where is a half? Yay! Okay, and then
1/3. This one.
1/3.
This one.
Yeah, perfect.
1/4.
1/4. Where's that? 1/4? Okay, where's that? Oh,
Here.
1/4. Yeah, perfect. Let's continue.
1/4 again.
1/4 again. Where's that?
Wait.
1/4? Yeah, perfect, Alfarizi. Yay! Okay, your score is 7.
Done.
Okay, do you want to start again or we jump to the material?
Stop again.
Okay, one more ya.
Yeah.
Okay, one more. 1/3. Yeah, perfect. Where is 1/8? Yeah.
Wait.
Where is 1/3?
What's one? This one.
Yeah, perfect. How about 1/4? 1/4. Oh,
Wait.
where is that? 1/4. Yeah. Yeah, perfect.
This one.
Half. Yeah, perfect, Alfarizi. Where is 1/4 again? Okay, correct. Yay, good job, perfect. The score. Yeah, okay. Okay, I've done. Okay, so now let's in our lesson, ya. Okay, Miss Kia, are you ready to start our lesson?
Yes.
Miss Kia want to share screen first.
Dapat batu bisa
Okay, have you seen my screen
Not
already?
yet, not yet. Not yet.
Wait, ya. Okay,
Okay, iya.
first, wait, ya.
Lecture.
Yeah, but fraction again. Okay, first that. Okay, I will start with the comparing and ordering fraction because yesterday I think we have to learn again about comparing and ordering fraction, ya.
Yeah.
Okay, do you remember about how to comparing the fraction? We have to this one. Making denominators the same helps us compare fractions. So you have to make the denominator same first, and after that you can choose the correct one. Okay. Okay, from here, so which is larger? So make the denominator same using the equivalent fraction. Can you? Okay, so which fraction that you have to change? You can anyway. You can write on the screen. Do you see the pencil symbol on the corner? And you can click that. Can you? Okay, so just click and then use the pencil. Okay. So what the number that you have to multiply? Yeah, perfect. And then you have to change. Yeah. Okay, so you have 10 per 12. Okay, so which is larger? Okay, perfect. Alfarizi. Let's continue to the next. Okay, wait, ya. Okay, and then how about this? Which is larger? 15 per 40 or 2 per 8?
Wait,
Okay, I'll wait you. Yeah. Okay, perfect. And then okay, so which is larger? The fraction is?
This one.
Yay, perfect, Alfarizi. Let's get to the next. I think you have. Now, how about this? Please do this one. Wait, I will. Please do this one, Alfarizi. The red one.
Oh, red one.
Are you sure? Have you make the denominator same?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah. So what number? Yeah, why the answer? Why is the answer is equivalent?
Because 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2.
Okay, and then you got
What is the mark? Yeah, same.
yeah, same. Okay, let's continue to the next. I think you have been expert about component fraction, so we just jump into the fraction set. Okay, how about this? What fraction of the circle are yellow? Okay, but okay, so why is the answer is 4 per 6?
Because the total number is 6 and the orange one is 4.
Okay, perfect, Alfarizi. Okay, and then how about this? What fraction of the shapes are squares? Hey, okay, why is the answer 3 per 6?
Because there's only 3, because the total number is 6 and only and there is only 3 squares.
Okay, perfect, Alfarizi. Let's jump into the next. I think we have to jump into the wait, into this one. Okay, how about this? Okay, can you read it loudly?
There were 10 ducks in a pond. 2 of the ducks swam away. What fraction of ducks were left?
Okay, what fraction? The
I
ducks were
write here. I write here. Up here.
yeah?
Okay. Two, two, 10.
Okay, 2 per 10 is the duck that swam away or left.
Swam away.
Swam away, and then the question is the fraction the ducks were left. So the fraction of the duck were left is
8%.
okay. Why is the answer is 8 per 10, not 2 per 10?
What? What again?
Why is the answer is 8 per 10, not 2 per 10?
Because 2 minus 10 is 8.
2 minus 10, 10 minus 2 is 8.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 10 minus 2 is okay, perfect. Perfect, Alfarizi. Let's jump into the next. Okay, how about this?
Marco had 12 toy cars. 4 of the toy cars were red. What fraction of the toy cars were red?
Okay, this is just easy question. Easy peasy, lemon easy. What fraction of the toys car were red?
Wait.
Okay, Okay, perfect, Alfarizi. Why is the answer is 4 plus 12?
What?
Why is the answer is 4 per 12?
Because in the world there's only 4 of the twinkles were red.
Okay, perfect, Alfarizi. Let's jump to the next. Okay, how about this? Please read it loudly first.
There were 10 cookies. There were 10 cookies. 4 of the cookies had sprinkles. What fraction of the cookies has sprinkles?
Okay, this is easy.
4
Question.
red.
4 per 10. Okay, good job, Alfarizi. And then how about this?
Miss Kate has 14 pencils. 7 pencils have 6 oranges. What? Oh, they pass less.
Okay, perfect, Alfarizi. Good job. And then, okay, now it's about addition and subtraction fraction. Okay, so how about this? What is the result of 2 per 7 per 3 per 7? Okay, perfect. Why is the answer is 5 per 7?
Because 2 plus 3 is 5.
Okay, and then why the denominator is 7?
Because the denominator do not cannot be what ya? Cannot be become bigger.
Great. Yeah, cannot be count. Okay, perfect, Alfarizi. Okay, how about this? 1 per 4 plus 2 per 8. This is the answer. Okay, anyway, why is the denominator is 8?
Because 4 is smaller than 8.
4 is smaller than 8, and then?
8 is bigger than 4.
Yeah, so you use the 8th one, yeah?
Yes, I used to bigger.
Okay, so why is the numerator is 3?
Because 1 plus 2 equals 3.
Okay, now from here, if we work in the addition or subtraction fraction, we have to make the denominator is same first before we operate that. Get it? So what fraction that you have to change?
This one.
Where's that? Okay, perfect. And then what fraction? What is the equivalent fraction of 1 per 4?
This is 2 equals 8.
Yeah.
That
Yeah,
means this is,
perfect. And then,
wait, I cannot write what this is equals 2. So
2. Okay, so the new fraction is that you get is,
it becomes 4.
yeah, perfect. And then why the denominator is still 8?
Because after we change the fractions, the denominator is become 8. It becomes 8.
Okay, perfect, Alfarizi. So I want to ask you first, when we have to change the denominator first in the addition fraction.
So we can make the fraction the same. It will be easier.
Okay, so when do we have to make the denominator is same first?
When?
Yeah, and last time you have question like this. 3 per 7 plus 1 per 7. What is the result?
What?
What is the result of this? 3 per 7 plus 1 per 7?
Oh, this one. 3 to 7 plus 1.7.
This?
Four per 7.
Yeah, 4 per 7. And then why? Why? This one, you don't need to change the denominator. And then this one, you have to change the denominator.
Because the denominator this one is the same.
Okay, because this one is
But
half already same. And then?
but this is different.
Okay, so if you find the different denominator, you have to make the denominator to be same first, yeah? Okay, same as the comparing fraction. Okay, Alfarizi, let's jump into the next. And then how about this? Okay, why is the result is 3 per 10?
Because 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. And
Okay.
10 cannot is still the same. The denominator is still the same.
Okay, perfect, Alfarizi. Let's jump into the next. Okay, how about this? Okay.
12 times 2 equals 0.
Okay,
So
and then
4 plus 2 equals 6.
now what is the symbol plus or minus?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Okay, be careful, Alfarizi.
Must be this 2.
Yeah, 2. Okay, perfect. And then how about this? Okay, let's continue to the next. Okay, we jump into the word problem. Okay, how about this? Can you read it loudly first?
Tom and his family ordered a large pizza, cut into 8 equal slices. Tom ate 3 slices, his sister ate 2 slices, and his parents ate 1 slice each. What fraction of the pizza was still left after everyone ate?
Okay, what fraction? The pizza is still left.
3 minus 2 by this was 8 is minus by 3, 2, and 1. So 1 plus
Okay.
2 is 3. 3 times 3 is 6. So there is still 2. But 2 left.
Okay, are you sure? The answer is 2 per 8. Do you want to read it again, the question? Okay, the clue that you still wrong is here. His parent ate 1 slice each. How about this?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Okay, and then how? What is the correct one? Okay, and then
Wait. 2, this is 4. So it's still 1 per 8.
okay, perfect, Alfarizi. You got that 100. And then why? Why you minus 1 again here?
Because the parents ate 1 slice, I forgot to add 1, so I add 1 again.
Yeah, so because there is 2 parents, yeah, mom and dad. So they add 2.
Because it's parents, it's more than 1.
Yeah, perfect. So this is mom and this is dad.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect, Alfarizi. You got 100. And then how about this? Can you read it loudly?
Lily had a burger that was cut into two equal parts. She ate one half and saved the other half for later. What fraction of the burger did you save for later?
Okay, what fraction?
1/2.
Okay, perfect. Why is the answer is 1/2?
Because Lily's burger is cut into two.
Okay, perfect. And then she ate 1/2, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, let's jump into the next. Oh, okay. How about this? Adding fraction.
To make one whole.
This one, what the pizza? Okay.
How many pieces does the fox eat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So there is
Okay. 1, 2. Are you sure? No. This question.
I'm wrong. Wait.
Okay.
This is 3 and this is 5.
Okay. Why this place is 4/8 and why this place is 3/8? Why?
Because there's still 5 pizza left, and I counted it into one whole. It only needs 3.
Okay, perfect. So you have 8/8, yeah, or what? Okay, perfect, Alfarizi. Let's continue to the next. What problem? Okay. Okay. Can you read it loudly?
Brian has 12 building blocks and decides to use one of 4 of them to build a tower. How many blocks should Brian use to build the tower? What is it? I don't know.
You don't know how to solve this?
Yes.
Okay.
Because
Okay, I have a question. How many blocks that have 1/4? If you have 12. From 12. How many blocks that have 1/4 from 12? Okay. No. If I say how many blocks, so the answer is not a fraction, but just a number of blocks. So how many blocks?
How many? 3.
Yeah, 3. Why is the answer is 3?
Because I calculate like here 4 times 3 is 12. 3 is 1 times 3 is 3.
Okay, and then wait. Okay, so how many blocks did Rian use to build the tower?
3 blocks.
3 blocks, and then how many blocks is left?
9. 9 blocks.
9. Okay, perfect. And then what fraction of the what fraction that belongs left? Okay, perfect. And then let's jump into the next. Okay, how about this? Wait, yeah. Can you read it loudly?
The man brought a donut and cut it into one equal pieces. He ate 2 pieces right away. Then ate 1 piece. This the brother of what fraction belongs to my Oh,
Okay, perfect. And then what fraction that donut is left?
1/4.
Okay, perfect. Alfarizi. Okay. Okay, how about this?
He bought a chocolate bar and broke it into 6 equal pieces. He ate 3 pieces. They 1%. What fraction of the chocolate bar did Jake eat and eat away?
Okay, what
Two
fraction?
plus 1 is 4. 4 per
Okay,
6.
4/6. And then what is the chocolate bar is left? The fraction of chocolate bar is left.
2/6.
2/6. Perfect, Alfarizi. Okay, so now we jump into the multiplication and division fraction. Okay. Okay, let's check. Do you still remember about this? Okay. So, okay. Can you do you still remember?
Ainda.
Okay. So, write the answer. Solve the first problem. How about that? 1/2. Okay. I think you still you have been wait, I will check. Wait, wait. Okay, so the multiplication is different. Alfarizi, are you feel sleepy? Do you feel sleepy? Okay. So the multiplication and division is another way of addition and subtraction. If in the addition and subtraction, you need to make the denominator is same, but in the multiplication and division fraction, you don't need to make the denominator is same. Get it? And then the thing is, you just multiply the numerator and the denominator, and then 3 times 1 is 3, and then 4 times 2 is 8. Get it? Is there any question about the multiplication?
No.
Okay, let's jump into the question ya. Okay, so do the first question. This one.
From this to where?
The first question. 1/4. Okay, so why is the answer is 1/4?
1 times 1 equals 1, 2 times 2 equals 4.
Okay, perfect. And then how about this one?
The word.
3 per. Yeah, perfect. And then how about this? Okay, perfect. And then how about this? Okay, 3 per. Oh, yeah. Okay, perfect.
32, 32.
Yeah, 32. And then how about this?
And this one is
Okay, perfect. And then how about this one?
which all is one.
Okay, perfect. Okay, let's jump into the next. Okay, so nah, this time is about division and multiplication. So anyway, in the division, okay, I will show you yeah how to solve the division of fraction. Wait. Okay, okay. If you can see here, if the multiplication, you need to multiply each numerator and denominator, right? Okay, but if in the division, this one is division yeah. Now, if in the division, okay, you have to times like this. You have to shuffle. Nah, just that, and then change this. Change to multiply, and then you have 4 per 9 times 5 per 3 because you have changed the numerator and the denominator. Get it?
Yes.
And then you just do the multiplication like before. Get it? And then so what is the result of this?
Which one?
Okay, and then
9 times 3 equals 27.
okay, perfect. 100. Nah, so now please do this one. Number 6.
Wait.
Okay, what is the result? Okay, perfect, Alfarizi. And then one again. Please do. Wait, yeah.
Oh no.
Please do this one. The third question. Okay, perfect. And then
Wait, my shift is
yeah, 48. Perfect, Alfarizi. I think one again. The nine number. Okay, how about that? Multiplication of
no.
two numbers.
Oh no.
One again, one again, one again.
Okay. I cannot write.
Okay, what is the answer? What is the number? I will write.
Not yet. I cannot write yet.
Okay. Okay, let me write on the screen. What number?
I cannot see too because it's.
Okay, wait.
Oh, I can see now.
Nah, like this. Okay.
Oh, like
You?
this. Okay. Wait. I will write myself. Then
Okay, are you sure the answer is that? This.
I think
Okay, can you solve the multiplication here? 23 times 15. Okay, how? How did you get the the result? Just solve on the screen ya. Okay. And then
1 times 3 equals 63. Wait, I cannot write this. I cannot.
oh, what number? Let me write on the screen.
Okay. 2 times 1 times 2 equals 2.
Oh, where's that? Here or here?
Yeah, right here.
The first one or the second one?
Wait. Now I can write again.
Okay.
This one. Okay, I can write again. Okay, 3 and 6. 2.
Okay, and then what is the final result? Okay. I think this is not 6, but I think this is 5.
Oh, 5.
Is it right?
I am
What
wrong.
number is this?
6.
6. 3 times 5. How many? What is the result of 3 times 5?
3 times 5.
15, right?
Oh, yeah, 15. I
15.
forgot.
Yeah, so you write 5 here. I think this number is 5.
Oh, yeah, I think I forgot this is 5. Because it looks like
Okay, it's okay.
Sorry.
Okay, so it's okay. So the last number is 5. Okay, so the answer is for the first line, for the numerator, 345 per. Okay, how about 25 times 18? Okay, solve this here. Okay.
5 times 3, 40.
Okay, and then
2. 8 times 2 equals 16 plus 4. 17, 18, 19, 20. 20.
okay, and then
1 times 5. 0. 5. 2. 4. 0. 5. 4. 450.
okay, and then the right answer is 450. Okay, Alfarizi, get it?
Okay.
Is there any question? So how if this one? Wait. How if okay? Wait.
I thought it was 1 more.
Wait. Yeah. Wait ya. Oh. And then how about the 14 number? The number 14. How to solve this?
Flip. Just flip.
Are you sure?
It was split. Like this is split.
Okay. Okay, so if you find the mixed number here, you have to convert to improper fraction first. And then just solve the problem. So
Okay.
convert to improper fraction first.
Done.
Okay. Okay, correct. And then okay, correct. And then how? What is the next step?
Convert it.
Yeah, after convert fraction and then
times
Oh, but you have to change the numerator and denominator first.
6
Shuffle the
two
numerator and
and 5.
yeah, and then what is the result?
11 times 2 equals
Hmm?
22.
22, and then
4 times 5 equals 20.
okay, perfect. One again for the number for 15.
What
This one.
is
Solve the number 15.
Eleven times 2 equals
Anyway, why did you write 4 per 2?
What for 2?
Why? Why did you write this?
No, this is not. I misclicked. This is 11.
Oh, 11. Okay, 11. Okay, 11 per 2 times.
Sorry.
Okay.
My mouse slipped.
Okay. 2 per 3.
11.
Okay, and then the answer is 22 per
6.
Okay, perfect, Alfarizi. Okay, so I think our topic about fraction is done. Until here, is there any question about fraction?
No.
Okay, so I think we have to check again your test, and we check for the incorrect answer. Okay. The incorrect one is number 4. Okay. What is so here you answered 7 per 6 ya. Here you answered 7 per 6. Is that right? One. So what is the correct answer of this?
I know, I thought it, but I forgot.
So what is the correct answer? Can you write on the screen how to solve that? Just solve again on the screen.
Wait, I want to test.
Yeah.
What's the correct answer in mixed number?
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't know.
The addition of fraction. Last time I think you did it well. Just do the addition of fraction.
Or
Can you?
make this the same. Make this the same first.
Yeah, make the denominator is same first, and then
How?
Okay, if you can make the denominator is same, you just multiply. 4 multiply 6 and 6 multiply 4.
Or multiply by 6.
Yeah, and then also 6, you have to multiply it by 4. Yeah. Or you can search the LCM. LCM of 4 and 6.
24.
What is the LCM of 4 and 6?
44.
Wait, Alfarizi. Halo Jafir. Jafir nanti jadwalnya jam 8 ya. Ini lagi les siswa lain dulu.
Oke, Miss.
Oke. You can out or okay. Okay, Alfarizi, let's continue. Okay, what is the correct answer? Okay. And then what is the equivalent fraction of this?
Wait, which one?
The LCM of 4 and 6.
Wait, I cannot write, sorry. It just disappeared.
Okay, Alfarizi, I think our time is almost up. And then we just continue this on the next week, yeah? Okay? And then what is your topic currently about in school? Alfarizi. What is the topic that you are learning in school now about mathematics?
I forgot.
Okay. So, okay, I just asked to your mom. And then now please share screen and then open the IMS website. Can you? And then do the task.
What? Wait.
Can you share screen first?
What?
What is that? Yeah. Okay, and then can you do the second, no, just refresh, no, Alfarizi, refresh first, refresh the website, and then then do the second task. Okay, do you like this course? Okay, and then okay, are you happy? Okay. Okay. And then click the number 2. Okay. Okay. What is the most difficult Alfarizi of fraction?
Memahami materinya.
Memahami materi. Oke. Perasaan tadi kamu bisa aja ngerjain semuanya.
Aku paksain diri.
Okay, so next week kita coba ini ya. We are gonna check again about your math test, okay? And then we solve again your math test that incorrect, okay? Okay, Alfarizi, thank you for joining our lesson today. So, okay, so see you next week. Anyway, you can play a game there. Okay, Alfarizi, bye-bye. I hope you are still healthy and happy. Bye-bye. Please leave the room.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Alfarizi.